3.
Ooh, I made fire. So we got a lot going on. My biscuits are burning. I am going to remove the corn, put it on the tray here. Like so. Put the buns back here. Whoops. Rotate the, how do you say chicken in French? Poule? Huh?
I can't remember right now. No, that's Spanish.
It's
Pollo.
Mexican. So the corn's done. And it'll stay hot for days.
I can't think of what chicken is right now. Canal is duck, right? Poisson is the fish.
Got these buns from, look at the buns, Safeway?
Safeway. Mm-hmm.
They were nice. This burger.
Artisan buns. That burger looks great, actually. And we got that at Safeway too. It was some like Annie's. Is it Annie's? Amy's premium.
So we're almost ready to eat. Oh, I'm gonna put
Avec
cheese
fromage.
on. Fromage.
Uh-huh.
And this is artisan cheese
Couillon.
that has stuck to the plate. This is very high-end cheese. It comes in its own individual wrapper.
But it is actually a 4-cheese blend in a wrapper, which we'd never seen before.
Mm-hmm.
And sadly,
I put it
Zjay
back
was
on the plate.
ready to put it on the grill, but then had to go and take a little, what would you call that, break?
A wee? A wee?
And so the fromage got a little melty.
But it's fine. We're camping.
Totally.
And let's take a moment to share where we are. We are in Erickson's Springs Campground.
Mm-hmm.
Above a town we can't seem to get out of, Peonia.
Mm-hmm.
Peonia.
Which was named for?
Peonies, but they screwed it up. That's the story we were told, at least.
Yep.
When they were registered the town name.
By the nice OCD lady at the laundry.
Yeah.
She was very nice and very OCD, which is what you want in a laundress.
And
she's not a laundress, but she owns the laundry place.
We got there after it closed, so kudos to her.
Mm-hmm.
Great.
Absolutely, she was great.
But if you look up, I didn't know that the blue spruce was the official state tree of Colorado. And
I would have thought it was the aspen.
Here, this one to my right, or straight ahead, is huge.
This is clearly older than the U.S.
Years. And we're up at between 6,500 feet and 6,800 feet. And the great thing is, over there under this nasty blanket from U-Haul for moving, is our generator. I might start up.
Darling, could you wait till after we eat? I don't want fumes.
It's not supposed to work above 3,000 feet, but it has been.
Say that again, you were kind of far away.
It's not supposed to work above 3,000 feet. And it comes with a high altitude kit to make it work at high altitude. But we're at 6,800 feet. Started right up today when we tried it out. So after dinner, we're gonna charge up the battery in the trailer, maybe go inside and enjoy some electricity.
Mm-hmm. charge our stuff, watch a movie, not get eaten by bears coming for burgers and chicken and corn. Kern.
And we're gonna get out of here and head to Salida, Colorado tomorrow, going over Kepler Pass like we did today. So here we are at the end of another lovely cooking demonstration. It's a tasty burger. I'm taking a bite. The corn is still hot.
How do you like your burger, baby?
How do I like my burger, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Medium. Maybe a little bit less than medium.
So how'd it turn out for you then?
Tastes good. I had one bite. Got a good smoky flavor. Haven't tried the corn yet. Perhaps I will.
There you go. That's the big test.
Perfectly cooked. Not even charred or brown. Feel a little bit of heat. It's good.
And can you believe it's not better?
Yeah.
Actually, the slogan is, I can't believe it's not better.
It's good. Bon appetit.